Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about how a wearable payment ring works, from tapping the ring near a payment terminal to secure payment approval and transaction confirmation. First, the process starts when the user wears the payment ring on their finger. Inside the ring, there is a built-in NFC payment chip. Most wearable payment rings do not need a battery because they use passive NFC technology, which becomes active when placed close to a payment reader. Next, the user brings the ring close to a POS terminal or NFC reader. This small tap starts the contactless payment communication between the ring and the payment terminal. After that, the payment terminal creates a short-range electromagnetic field. When the ring enters this field, the NFC chip inside the ring responds by sending stored payment credentials or a secure payment token. Then, the ring and terminal exchange information using NFC, which stands for Near Field Communication. This technology works only at a very short distance, usually within a few centimeters, making the payment quick and controlled. Once the NFC signal exchange is complete, secure data transfer begins. The payment data sent from the ring is encrypted, so the actual card details are not openly shared. Instead, secure tokenization is used to protect the transaction. Next, the POS terminal sends the payment request through the payment network to the bank or card issuer. This request includes the payment amount, merchant details, secure token, and other required transaction information. Then, the payment network and bank verify the transaction. They check the token, account status, available balance, security rules, and transaction limits. If everything is valid, the payment is approved. If there is a problem, the payment may be declined. After approval, the purchase amount is processed and the transaction is completed. The merchant system records the payment, and the customer's linked card or account is charged for the purchase. Finally, the terminal shows a confirmation message. It may also make a beep sound, print a receipt, or send a notification to the user's linked banking app, confirming that the payment was successful. Moreover, a wearable payment ring has several important parts, including the outer ring shell, NFC chip, antenna coil, secure element, and protective inner layer. The outer shell makes the ring durable, the antenna helps send and receive NFC signals, and the secure element stores encrypted payment credentials safely. Overall, a wearable payment ring makes contactless payment fast, simple, and convenient. It is commonly used in retail stores, transit systems, cafes, vending machines, and events. Because it uses NFC, encrypted data, tokenization, and bank authorization, it allows users to make secure payments without holding a phone, card, or cash in their hand. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.